Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So we are making a protein hot chocolate today. I'm gonna make this short and sweet. It's a really simple recipe and I'm gonna give you the option of using either protein powder or collagen powder. I'm using a whey isolate protein powder. I'll show you the brand that I'm using throughout the video. It's one of my favorites. I've never had any issues in terms of bloating or any kind of digestion or gut issues. Really great, just very few ingredients in the protein powder as well. So I'm going to be using a plant-based milk, but I'm using a combination of soy and cashew because soy is going to give me higher protein and then cashew is going to give me a little bit more fat and a little bit more creaminess. I'm also going to add some chopped chocolate as well because I think it really does add to the richness and it gives me kind of that Parisian kind of vibe, which I love. And again, guys, really customizable. Change up your milk, change up your chocolate. You can use cacao powder or cocoa powder. Your toppings, do whatever you like. Whipped cream, marshmallows. You can add some peppermint candies, shaved chocolate, cocoa powder, so many different things. You do you. You do what you really love. But the base of this is super easy, super creamy, super rich. And of only about 220 calories, but you're getting close to 30 grams of protein. So it's a win-win. I hope you guys really try this one. It is phenomenal. It's something that I'm going to be making on repeat during these cold months. So before we learn how to make this protein hot chocolate, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. So let's learn how to make this really delicious protein hot chocolate. We're going to grab a small to medium sauce pot and we will need some milk. This is 1.5 cups of high protein milk. This is 1 cup of soy milk and 1/2 cup of cashew milk. You can use any milk you like. You'll need 1 tablespoon of either cacao powder or cocoa powder. This is 1/2 scoop of protein powder. You can also use 1 serving of collagen powder. Vanilla or chocolate will work there. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. This is the vanilla protein powder that I use. I will link it in the description box below. It's really great. You're going to take a minute and whisk all of the ingredients until it's nicely incorporated. We want to get this to a nice simmer. Once you see a couple bubbles and a lot of steam, we're going to add 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of chopped dark chocolate. Any chocolate that you love will work here. And we're going to give that a good whisk. I'm going to turn off the heat because there's enough heat in the milk to melt that chocolate. Grab a mug or whatever vessel that you like, and we're going to pour our hot chocolate. And you can see how luscious and creamy that is, and silky. It's so incredible. And now I'm going to add a little whipped cream. Again, guys, you can do marshmallow, whipped cream. You can whip your own whipped cream. I'm actually going to add a dash of cinnamon. You can use peppermint candies. You can use shaved chocolate, anything you like. Enjoy a protein hot chocolate at about 230 calories and just under 30 grams of protein. It tastes indulgent, it tastes chocolatey, it's incredible. You guys are gonna love this one. It's so, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this protein hot chocolate, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.